Hey everyone, welcome back to Shona Kid. Like and subscribe to the channel. Before we began, in a village nestled between rolling green hills and serene palm groves, lived a young boy named Amin. From a tender age, Amin had tended to his family's goats, watching over them with diligent care and growing fond of one little goat in particular. This goat, whom Amin affectionately named Hanin, exhibited a bravery uncommon amongst her fellow herd members. One bright Ramadan morning, as Amin was preparing for suhoor, the pre-dawn meal before the fast, he heard a commotion outside. The sound of bleating goats and the rustling of leaves stirred him from his preparations. Rushing to the pasture, Amin saw a sight that left him momentarily frozen. A fox, seemingly emboldened by hunger, had entered the enclosure. Though fasting required patience and restraint, Amin knew there was a duty to protect the vulnerable creatures in his care. He quickly uttered a dua, seeking strength from Allah, and stepped forward. But before he could reach the intruder, Hanin the goat puffed up her small frame and with an unexpected burst of courage, charged towards the fox. Startled by the goat's bravery, the fox hesitated, then turned tail and fled into the wilderness. Leaving the goats unharmed, Amin, grateful and astonished, gently patted Hanin, murmuring praises and expressing his thankfulness to Allah for the safety of his livestock. That day, as the village began its communal iftar, breaking their fasts together with dates and water, Amin shared the story of Hanin's courage. The tale spread quickly, becoming a cherished story of bravery and protection. The moral of the story is that bravery and faith can come from unexpected places and help